didn't steal anything.
I didn't steal anything.
On October 4th, 2023, officers were called to a gas station after a woman was seen on surveillance stealing candy and chips before running out. They found her at the bus stop nearby. She said she did not steal anything. The store had video. This is proof on record.
Because you stole candy, it's fine, but come back. Stop, don't.
I'm not doing anything.
Listen, they just want you to trespass. If you walk away, you're going to go to jail. Go sit over there.
I'm listening.
Okay, go sit over there.
All right, cool.
You're being video and audio recorded, just so you know. Have a seat, please.
I'm not trespassing.
Have a seat.
I don't want to have a seat.
Oh my God, you're going to make us take you to jail over something stupid?
I'm gonna have a seat. Yes, okay, so correct. So you know who I am. I'm Catalina. What's up?
You're what?
I'm Catalina. What's up?
I don't know who you are. Okay, so they said you stole candy. What I'd like is to get the candy back and issue a trespass warning. And
I don't have no candy. I didn't steal any candy.
You didn't?
No.
Okay, alright, we'll have them do a show up and stuff, and if they say it's you, we'll arrest you, okay?
Okay.
That works.
Check the bag. There's no candy in it.
We're just gonna see if you were one that stole. It's been a while, so whether or not you have whatever they say you stole or not, we'll talk to them, okay? Will you hang out with her for a second? We're just gonna go back over there and just talk to them.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing today? You what?
Check the bag. There's no candy. Check the bag. Check the cameras. There's no candy.
I have no idea.
Okay.
They asked for someone else to show up here, so here I am. You're good. You just take a seat.
I'm looking for my lighter so I can smoke my cigarette.
No, I don't want you digging around. So take a seat.
Take a seat?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Let me take a seat.
Alright, so she matches the description. She has a design on her pants, right? Maybe it's not her. We gotta figure it out. We have enough to stop her, so we're gonna go talk to the guy that works here.
This person still no candy. So what the fuck?
Is that what they're saying? Is you still candy?
Yeah, that's what they're saying.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want the surveillance, I can...
What do you want it done? You just want her trespassed? You want her charged?
What do you guys recommend?
I don't know. She's saying she doesn't have any of this stuff on her. What did she steal?
I saw her on the camera stealing candy and the chips. So I'm not sure what she did with the candy.
What kind of candy?
Yellow color box candy.
Like I said, I don't know. I was driving past to get gas. Why would they say that? Why would they say that you were selling candy?
That's what they said. They said I sold candy.
Do you want to see if we can get the stuff back and then we'll just trespass her? If not, then we can arrest her if you want. I mean, it's up to you, really. It's your store.
I mean, you guys gonna arrest her and then after like 24 hours she's gonna be back on the street.
Correct. Yeah, I don't run
there's no point of doing that.
Well, I can't tell you what they'll do, right? I mean, I can't say that won't happen. I also can't say that will happen.
Alright, like I said, at this point, stop digging around, alright? Just keep your hands where I can see them. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs if you don't.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
Appreciate you. Because if it turns out it's nothing, I'm gonna get out of here. And we can be done with this.
Okay. I stole a bag of, I didn't steal, I took a bag of hot Cheetos. The lady popped up, I took the hot Cheetos out, said, is there forks? There's no forks.
Quit digging.
Okay. Excuse me.
Thank you.
Jack, we'll do whatever you want, man. It's your store. You have the rights here. So.
Arrest her and do misdemeanor or whatever the charges against her. So that way, if anyone is seeing, they won't do the same thing.
Okay, you have surveillance video?
Yeah.
She stole a bunch of stuff, huh?
Yeah. And then my mom, she came over there, got the chips out, but she still took a majority of the candy.
Did she just run out after your mom confronted her?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, we'll go arrest her, and then we'll come back and we'll get all the info we need from you.
Okay. So
Yeah, alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. I have things to do. I have an interview to go to. I have an appointment to go to.
Where at?
Where at? The library.
The library? You got an appointment at the library?
Valley City.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Hey, so you are going to be under arrest?
I didn't steal anything.
Well, they do have video footage of
I
you.
literally didn't steal
Well,
anything.
they have video footage of you.
I didn't steal anything. I didn't steal anything.
No.
No.
We don't want to hurt you.
No. Get the fuck off of me. No.
Quit it.
No. No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Okay?
No.
Yeah, I got her hand back. If you can get that hand, we're
no. Get the off of me.
So just
Get off
pull
of
that hand
me.
out.
Get off.
Please
No.
There you go.
Get off. No. Get off of me.
Hold on. There we go.
No.
Stop fighting. Ah, she bit me.
Stop!
Oh.
Get off of me now!
All right, now you're under arrest for a felony.
No!
You just assaulted a
Because
police
I
officer.
didn't get to me.
Quit kicking me.
Get off of me! No!
You want my cuffs?
Get off!
Let go of the handcuffs.
No, because I didn't steal anything.
You're gonna get tased if you do not. You're gonna get tased if you don't let go.
No!
Stop resisting. Stop fighting.
Let go of the handcuffs. You're gonna get tased again if you let go then.
Get off!
Catalina, quit it.
Witness!
Stop.
Get off! Get off!
Do you?
The officer gives her the easiest version of this situation before it becomes anything more. Come back. Sit down. If the store confirms it is not you, we are done. If they get the merchandise back, they will trespass her instead of charging her. She sits. She says her name is Catalina. She says she has no candy. The officer is not arguing. He is building the identification process correctly. He goes to the store to talk to the employee and do a show up. The store employee confirms surveillance video. She stole candy and chips. His mother came out and confronted her. She put the chips back but kept most of the candy and ran. The officer comes back and tells her she is under arrest. She says she did not steal anything. Then she bites an officer. Shoplifting in Washington state is a misdemeanor for low-value merchandise. What she just added by biting is assault in the third degree, a felony. The value of what she took is maybe $5. The charge she created by biting is years of potential exposure.
What do you want?
You need to get a witness because I didn't steal nothing.
Ma'am, we need
I
to
didn't
roll
steal
you.
anything.
Ma'am,
No!
to stop fighting with us.
No, because I didn't steal nothing. No.
So
I'm not under assault 3 because I didn't. You assaulted me.
You bit me.
Because you said I stole something.
Okay, well you're under arrest.
No,
okay?
well,
For
arrest for
assaulting
what?
a police. You were going to be under arrest for
Arrest for
shoplifting.
what?
Now you're under
You
arrest for assaulting a
trespassed
police officer.
A trespass me.
Catalina,
Stop.
it was for shoplifting.
No, I didn't shoplift shit.
Then it upgraded to
I
assault
didn't
3
say-
when you bit my partner.
No, because I didn't shoplift nothing.
Well, you bit my partner.
Well, so you hurt me.
There's no so
It's called
nothing.
self-defense.
No, you jumped on
I
the
didn't.
ground.
Where's the witness? I
Our
did
body
not.
cams are recording.
You're off of me. You trespassed
Fuck, dude, when
me,
I
right,
jumped
sir?
my leg back when she was biting me, it locked
You
up my kneecap.
trespassed me, right, sir?
Is
Get off
I
of
think
me.
it's my old injury.
Get
I
off
don't
of
think I
me.
got from here. I don't know.
Get off of me.
Take a breath for me. Just take a breath for me, Catalina.
For what?
Well, tell me right now. I just need you to take a breath to calm down.
So didn't you trespass me?
No.
Did I steal something? No.
You weren't trespassed.
I was trespassed.
No.
Wasn't I just trespassed?
Nope,
No.
we're placed under
You
arrest.
no, you trespassed me.
Ma'am,
That's
you're
what you
under arrest.
No.
For theft
For
3.
what?
She's
No,
under arrest
for
for
what?
assault 3 now. She bit
No,
my leg.
for
Roll to your
what?
side.
Shoot what down?
Roll to your side so I
Shoot
can
what
search it.
down? No.
Quit trying to
Get
break
off
your
of
fingers.
me! No.
Ma'am, you're
I
dictating.
didn't
You're
steal
dictating
shit.
our actions
No,
right
because
now.
I didn't
Time
steal
to
nothing.
stop.
No, I didn't. So
Catalina.
where did I steal? Stop
Catalina.
taking shit out of my pocket. You keep stealing stuff from me.
Stay straight.
Stop. No. Let me
breathe
go.
for me,
Ma'am.
Let me go. No. What are you doing? Stop taking my pocket.
You want to search? We're good. We're gonna check your pocket.
Stop, because you're stealing.
You're under
Yes,
arrest.
No, I'm not.
You are.
For what? Get the off of me. You said trespass. You know what trespass means? Get off of me. What are you doing in my pockets for?
You're under arrest, so we're searching
For
you
what?
for assault.
I didn't assault you. Get off of me. Look at all these police officers.
Well,
You're a weirdo, bro.
Because you're being
Get
crazy
off
for
of
no
me. You're
reason.
literally stealing my shit.
Quit pinching me.
Get off of me. I'm not under arrest.
Yeah, you
No,
are.
I'm not. Get off of me. I didn't steal nothing. No, I didn't. Get off. Get off. Ah! No, stop taking my stuff.
Quit trying
Get
to pinch me.
off.
Quit trying to pinch me.
No, get off of me, bro.
Quit trying to pinch me.
No, get off. That's trespass. Get off. Get off.
Pull her head back so she doesn't bite me.
Pull my head back for what?
You've already bit one. You've already bit one person.
No,
I don't
what
feel like
the
getting
fuck?
bit today. Catalina, just breathe for me. So this side.
No! Get off of me now! Stop! Stop taking my stuff!
Quit it.
Get
What's in your hand? Let
off!
go what's in your
No,
hand.
I don't have
Don't
nothing in
grab-
my hand! Get off of me now! Get
Stop grabbing at
off!
me, please.
Get off!
Want to
Stop!
just control her
No! Get
Look,
off! Oh! I don't want the f***ing gun! Get off! No! No, my bro! Get off of me now! Get off! No! No, because I still shit. Get the off of me now. Get off. Yeah. Get off.
You're gonna go to jail.
I don't want to go to jail. So what? No. No, I'm not going to f***ing jail. No. No, I'm not going to jail. No. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off. No. Stop.
Catalina,
I'm not going to fucking jail for no stupid. Fuck. Get off of me, you stupid. Get off of me. No. Get off. No, I'm not going to fucking jail. No, because I'm not going to jail. Stop. What are you? Stop. Get off of me, bro. No.
You want to cut that thing off?
No. Stop. Get the off of me. Stop it. Get off of me because I still shit. Get the off of me. No. I'm lying. Oh, no. Get off of me. Get off. No. Get off. Get off.
I gotta spit back.
Stop. Get off.
Don't do that.
Get off. Stop. He's dead. Get the off. Get off. Stop. Get the off.
My door right there.
Get off of me! Get off! Stop!
I mean, my door right there. Is it not?
No, I'm not gonna pay you.
Got it?
Get off of me now! Stop! Get off of me now! Stop!
Got it, we got it.
No, you don't have shit! You're not taking me to jail for nothing. No, because you hurt me. So self-defense, so get the off of me! Get no! No! Just get off of me! No! Get off of me! No! Stop! Get off of me! No! Get off of my f***ing boat! No, I'm not going to the stupid ass jail! No! Get off! No, get off! Get off! No, get off of me now! I'm not going.
That's right, you just gotta turn.
No, get off! I lost the car! No! No, because I'm not going. I don't care! You supposed to make me, I don't give a fuck! Get off! Get off! I don't want to stop! Stop! Get off! No! Stop! I don't care.
We're doing it?
I
just got it backwards. Yeah, that's fine.
Get off of me!
Here, okay, lift your legs up.
What are you doing? For what? No, because you're sitting me up in your chest and he's a snake. Lay me the down. Get off of me! Get off! Get off! You're not going to throw me nowhere. Get off! Get off! No, because I ain't staying still to you stupid. You took my bag, so I steal nothing. No, get off of me now. Get off. I don't care. No, I'm not going to jail. Oh yeah, I got you, Dr. Cool. No! Stop! Stop! Get the off of me! That is still your stupid shit! Get off of me! No! 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 Stop! No! I don't want to go! Stop! No! Stop!
She keeps saying she did not steal anything while simultaneously resisting, kicking, and fighting 3 officers to the ground. The officer explains it clearly. You were going to be arrested for shoplifting. Now you are arrested for assault 3 because you bit my partner. She says it was self-defense. Under Washington law, assault in the 3rd degree requires assault of a law enforcement officer. There is no self-defense claim available when officers are executing a lawful arrest. The shoplifting gave them probable cause. The arrest was lawful. Every kick and bite after that is a separate count. She also gives a false name. Her name was not Catalina. That is making false statements to a law enforcement officer. A separate charge added to the list. She spent the entire encounter insisting she did not steal anything. The surveillance video, the store employee, and her own partial admission about the hot Cheetos all say otherwise. And none of that matters as much as the bite. She had an interview at the library that afternoon. She did not make it. She was charged with felony assault, shoplifting, resisting arrest, obstruction, and making false statements. A bag of hot Cheetos, that is where it started. Nothing in this video is legal advice. We are not practicing attorneys. All commentary is for education, awareness, and accountability. This is proof on record.